Hey, this is Jeff Ayers of Team Nuremberg for Fall 2021 SER 316 class project. And so, like I said, my name is Jeff. I'm doing the video. My group also includes Casey, Paul, James Oliver, Josh McMillan, and Cy Nguyen. Sorry if I said that incorrectly. But anyways, going in, we just completed kind of our sprint number one. We had about a 62% completion rate and 34 total points, 21 completed points, 7 open tasks, which will be moved to sprint number two. The ones that haven't been completed yet were make changes to display in course, display assignments in course, and a couple of the reverse engineering and the menu bar buttons. Those are mostly mine that I need to do. And I think also Sai also has some stuff he needs, or maybe it wasn't even assigned. Anyways, you can tell this is going great. As far as the completed things we've done, I've created kind of the course objects that still kind of need to be implemented into the UI. And then, of course, you have specifically of James, who, he created the assignment objects. And then, of course, you got, I believe it's John, right? Yeah, or it's Josh. Josh, he went ahead and he fixed kind of that error specifically with the program not terminating when you try to close it out. Kind of did that. And as far as our logo and our name, that was kind of all size. So I kind of went through and he kind of asked us like what he wanted or what we wanted as a team. He came up with the logo and the design and also the splash page. And when we opened it up, you're going to see all that. So that was mostly side. As far as minimizing the program, that was kind of a team effort. I can't remember if it was Josh or James who kind of did most of that, but it was assigned to me. But let's just say team effort on that one. Then Casey came through. She fixed symbols in the menu pop-up, language on some of the menu items, symbols and panels. She kind of came up and just did a lot of different stuff. And then also, and then Josh specifically came through and he fixed the preferences error, which was causing that not to open up. We'll kind of open it up and I'll show you that. And then edit main toggle buttons. And then what's this one? As a developer want to reverse engineer. So a lot of these like reverse engineering is memoranda to kind of figure out how it works. So that way we can kind of articulate it and alchemize it into our kind of our teaching software, which we like to call class. So without further ado, let me go ahead and pull up some class flow. Oh, okay. So if you see this little logo, it's not memoranda. This is class flow. This was created by Sai. He kept this cool logo. Can I see the splash page and the indication? You notice right away the UI looks pretty different. So let me just kind of go over a couple things. We got the minimize button that works now, uh, closes, but I think that's mostly IntelliJ in the background, which is why it doesn't work that well. Preferences comes up, awesome, and then we kind of got all our UI that's kind of been changed. It's got a good start, and it's going to kind of get there. And so this is specifically just a quick rundown of Sprint 1, what we have done, what we plan on doing for Sprint 2, as far as a breakdown of what kind of tools. Everyone kind of had like a good amount of work, and I'd like to thank my team as far as kind of keeping everyone afloat. And some of us, this might be our first time kind of working in a group and working with Git and GitHub and all that, and doing this in Agile framework, so it can be a little tricky. But so that's, anyways, this is kind of just a quick little rundown.